Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best taco toaster crispy taco shell tool, the ARTTHOME stainless steel taco holder set. If you love tacos, this is the game changer you never knew you needed. Let's dive into what makes this product stand out from the crowd. First off, the ARTTHOME taco holders are made from premium stainless steel, giving them a sleek, modern look. Whether you're making street tacos or larger burritos, this set of 4 taco holders is designed to keep your tacos upright, organized, and most importantly, mess-free. Each taco holder can hold up to 3 tacos, making it the perfect setup for family taco nights or taco parties. One of the best features of this taco holder set is its versatility. It's oven-safe, so you can bake your tacos directly in the rack, ensuring crispy taco shells every time. Whether you're using it in the oven or on the grill, it can handle the heat without any issues. No more worrying about your tacos falling over while you bake them, and no more messy taco fillings spilling all over the place. This rack keeps everything neatly in place. Cleaning up after your taco night is also a breeze. Since the taco holders are made of stainless steel, they are dishwasher safe, which means you can simply toss them in the dishwasher for an easy cleanup. Unlike plastic taco holders, which can retain odors or get warped after multiple uses, these stainless steel holders maintain their durability and appearance. Not only is this taco holder practical, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen or dining table. The polished stainless steel finish gives it a restaurant-quality look, perfect for impressing your guests during your next taco night or family gathering. The design makes it easy to fill your tacos without the hassle of balancing them or dealing with spills, and it keeps everything neat while you're adding your favorite ingredients. So, if you're looking for a taco holder that combines style, durability, and functionality, the ARTTHOME stainless steel taco holder set is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Whether you're grilling tacos, baking them, or simply serving them up fresh, this set will make your taco experience cleaner, easier, and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and updates. Happy taco eating!